Hi queens, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your hair from black to this ginger copper color. I'm so excited to share this with you. You're not supposed to use any bleach. You don't have to bleach your hair, but you get these amazing results. So let us get started. So I'm going to use this high color highlights for dark hair only. This is from L'Oreal. As you can see, it says there for dark hair only, so for us who has dark hair and our hair is 4C, this is the color for you, my sister, for you, my love. This is the color for us. Finally, we got something that we don't have to bleach our hair, and the color that I'm using is copper, or you can call it ginger. And then I'm using a 30 volume developer from Fanola. So I ordered everything online. You can just go on Amazon and order this everything that I'm using here. So the main character in this is the color and the developer. So you need that mixing bowl and also that wonderful brush, guys. It's gonna help you so much to give you the details. And then don't forget to have some gloves. I can advise you to have 2 pairs of gloves. You will thank me later. And then you have Vaseline or any grease of your choice. Let's say Vaseline is the best, or any kind of oil or any kind of grease that you can get. And then I'm applying around the perimeter of my head, around my ears, and around my neck at the back. The next thing I'm going to do is to comb my hair. I'm going to comb my hair to detangle it so that the color can go through my whole hair. And then I'm just mixing the color. I'm using 2 tubes of color. If you have longer hair, please make sure you use more, you have more color. So for me, my hair is short, though it's a lot. If I didn't have a lot of hair, yeah. So but then I'm mixing the developer and the color, the 2 tubes, and I just estimated the amount of developer, but make sure the consistency is not too thick and it's not too thin. It shouldn't be watery. So you mix it and then you leave it for 5 minutes to calm down, to mix together, to settle. It should look like that. And then after that, my loves, we're going to start the journey. Once you put this color on your hair, there is no going back. As I told you, we don't need bleach. So we have the color and the developer, which contains the hydrogen peroxide. That's all we need. I'm going to start applying the color at the back of my hair, simply because I don't want to start in the front, because the back is kind of stubborn and the front is very delicate. It's very easy and quick. So I'm just gonna start at the back. As you can see, I'm concentrating on the tip of the hair first before I go to the root. But you might see me like I'm struggling to put the hair to the root. No, I'm just doing the mixing because my hair is thick and I have a lot of hair, though my hair is short. So I'm trying to run my fingers around so that the tip of my hair should get the color. So I'm gonna do that. I pat my hair with my fingers. In the beginning, as I'm showing you, I'm just using my hands, which have gloves. That's why it's very important to have gloves. Yeah. So I'm just doing the same process until I finish everywhere, but my baby hair, my hairline in the front and at the back, and I will do it in the end. I don't want it to be like so lighter than the rest of the hair. I want everything to be similar. I want everything to look seamless. So that's why I'm doing this process. That's why I'm making sure that I don't touch my baby hairs immediately. Yeah. So I started with the tip of my hair, and then I will run through the roots and everywhere to mix the color to make sure it touches the root of my hair. Why am I starting on the tip of my hair? Because the root tends to get the color quickly. The color absorbs quickly in the roots than it does on the tip of the hair. I believe, I hope. I've seen few YouTubers say that, and I've seen how it did to their hair when they just applied straight to the root. Yeah. So now that I'm done with everything, I'm going to now apply the color on my baby hairs, and I will use a brush. So the brush is gonna go precise to the baby hairs, to the hairline, and you make sure you go direct to the hairline and not on your skin. just to avoid that. Even if it touches your skin, because you have the oil or the grease, the Vaseline that I have under, it's gonna just not make it stick to my skin. So my skin is safe, guys. Yeah, so I will keep doing that. I'll do that around my head, behind my ears, and at the back, at the back, just on top of my neck, just to do that, so that I have the color everywhere and every strand of my hair looks the same color. And I'm doing the same at the back. You can see I'm just going with a brush. I have the mirror in front of me and the back, and at the back of me, so that I can see everywhere. It's very important, especially when you're doing this delicate thing, to color your hair at home. Yeah, so you don't need a professional to do this. If you follow these steps, trust me, you are going to get the best results. As I told you, my loves, you don't need to use bleach on this color. Yeah, so all you need to do is to make sure the color is spread equally on every part of your head, every part of your hair, and make sure you mix it up, and make sure you have enough color to cover your whole head. As I told you, my hair is short, so but it's still thick and a lot, so I used 2 tubes. But if your hair is not as short, or it's longer than mine, you need more color. So be prepared. It's better to be prepared than to be like, oh my god, I should have done this. No. That's why you're watching this video before you color your hair. I am so excited and I'm so nervous at the same time. I didn't know how this color was gonna turn out, so when I was doing this video, I was like, I am just hoping this comes out nicely. If it doesn't, I'll just shave my hair bald and have no hair at all. But hello. And then after that, I'm just gonna wear my shower cap. You can wear any shower cap of your choice to give the hair some warmth, to make the color work effectively. And then I'm gonna leave it for 30 minutes. But before 30 minutes, when it's 15 minutes, after 15 minutes have passed, I am going to take the the cap off just to check. So now it's been 15 minutes after my application and wearing the cap. I'm taking it off. I was like, oh my god, it's working. It's happening. It's happening, guys. Oh, look at this. I was so impressed, and I was like, maybe if I wash it will go off. And at the same time I was like, no, I see. And now at the same time I was like, why, how is it, it's kind of too orange. Oh my god, I don't want it to be too orange. Oh my god. I was having so many debate in my own head, but I was like, yeah, this is the point of no return. So I just started mixing again the color and adding the last drop of color I had left, just to make sure that everywhere is equal and everything is okay. And then I'm gonna put back the cap and sit for the next 15 minutes, for the last 15 minutes. So in total, I've been sitting with this color for 30 good minutes. It smells very strong. If you're very sensitive, you have to wear a mask just to be safe. Yeah, but otherwise everything is okay. I don't hear any tingles in my head. It doesn't hurt. But if you hear that, that means you have maybe wounds, and you're not supposed to apply the color when you have wounds and everything. So as I told you, I ordered this on Amazon and it's been delivered to me. So you can order this on Amazon, my loves. If you have dark hair, this is for you. It's been 30 minutes. I'm going to wash my hair, and this is me, my loves. Here we are. So excited. I was like, oh, the reveal and everything. So I love the color I love the outcomes. I love the fact that it's not too orange, and I love the fact that everywhere it's equal. It looks like so natural, so amazing, and my hair doesn't feel hard. So yeah, don't miss the next video where I'm going to style my hair from this to this. Yeah, we're gonna give it class. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and bye.